The Florida Department of Transportation continues construction at the Golden Glades Multimodal Transportation Facility in Miami-Dade County. A new and modern integrated multimodal transportation facility is being built to upgrade the existing site. The project is located inside of the west lot of the park and ride near the Golden Glades interchange. Construction began December 17, 2018 and is estimated to be completed by summer of 2021. The estimated cost of this project is $60 million. The facility consists of a number of improvements, including building a multi-story parking garage, new transit hub, bus driver's break lounge, bus terminal, and covered walkways. Bus service has been temporarily relocated to the east lot while the contractor performs parking garage and utility work in the west lot. The contractor continues to work on performing concrete work for sidewalks, curb and gutter, the parking garage, as well as installing ITS, sanitary sewer, and drainage. This project will improve the connectivity between transportation modes, as well as increase transfer efficiency, accessibility, safety, security, and capacity. For more information, please contact Community Outreach Specialist Sandra Bayo.